my Nescafe brown and creamy as usual. And then, oh yes, it's back. Otap, home of Cebu's finest Otap, Shamrock, Yummers, kain tayo. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Oh my gosh, hindi ko pa na-try itong brand na to eh. And walang cream cheese kasi nagpunta kami sa mall kahapon, wala na silang cream cheese. So, I'm just gonna eat Otap and then my coffee. Hi guys! I can't upload a video kasi si Mark naglalaro ng Dota. Enough niya yung wifi ko, so hintay-hintay na lang tayo. By the way, you guys, I started using my Snow Skin Whitening Cream and my Snow Skin Whitening Lotion because a lot of you guys have been asking for a review, so I started using it. The lotion so far so good. I'm actually really liking it. Sobrang babango nito. Hindi sila like yung typical skincare scent. Meron silang may pagka-social na amoy sa kanila. May kamahalan tong mga to. And yeah, I really like the lotion. Blends in really nicely. As in, hindi siya kagaya ng mga lotion na na-try ko na sobrang thick ng consistency na mahirap i-blend sa skin. Well, wala naman akong problem sa ganun. Kasi I like lotion na super moisturizing. But this one, really moisturizing na siya. Tapos hindi pa siya thick. So madali lang siyang i-blend sa skin. Yung cream reminds me of a CC cream. A really good smelling CC cream. Bongga. As in, this is kind of scent na you will either hate or love. Nothing in between. But yeah, I really like it. Nandito na to ha, before ko pa to ginamit kasi it's that time of the month. Oh my gosh, you guys, my nails. My nails. Pinadala sa akin to ng Vein Wholesalers something. I will do a haul on it. This is what I have on my nails right now, you guys. Medyo nag-chip na siya ng konti. I do not know why. Kahapon ko lang to nilagay and medyo nag-chip na siya ng konti. I will actually reapply today. 2 coats na to nilagay ko dito. This is in the shade Tis the Season. I really like this shade. I'm gonna be using na finally yung Swiss Apple Collagen Soap from L'Occitane from Icon Premier. Ito yung soap na as in gustong-gusto nung nag-contact sa akin from Icon Premier. Sabi niya, I highly suggest you try that one first because it's really good. So I'm so excited. And this smells like a soap. Yeah. Merong may pagkakonting hint ng apple, pero konting-konti lang. I'm just gonna cut it into maliliit na pieces kasi that's what I do with my soap. Especially soap this size kasi, yeah, you know. Nag-post nga pala ako sa Facebook kahapon about my clothes. Hindi lahat ng nasa picture na yun is ibebenta ko you guys. Some of it lang kasi tingnan nyo, sobrang puno na talaga siya na as in, tingnan mo, konting space na lang. So, wala na akong space para sa bago. And yan is yung first compartment pa lang ng closet ko. Tapos dito, ang dami pa Tapos dito, like, yan, meron pa yan sa likod. Meron pa yung isa sa likod. Tapos yan. Tapos ito. Tapos meron pa sa likod. There. Tapos dito, tapos meron pa sa likod. Marami dito, hindi ko pa nagagamit at all. Kaysa sa mabulok sila dyan, well, hindi sila mabubulok. But, you know, kaysa sa magstay sila dyan forever, I'm just gonna sell it and give it a new home. Though, I'm gonna have a hard time letting some of it go. Kalalasan dito, binili ko sa abroad and binili ko online. And obviously, I couldn't try it on. Tapos, hindi ko na sila na-return kasi paano kasi ako, pa-move ako, US, Cayman. So, wala akong time talaga na mag-return ng parcel. So, yun, kadalasan dito, hindi ko pa nagagamit talaga. Ito na yung mga napili ko na ibibenta ko. Oh my gosh, it took me, I don't know how many hours to get through this. But, yeah, yan na yung mga yon. Sneak peek. Ito, nagamit ko sa video lang. Actually, marami dito na sa video ko lang nagamit. Ito, sa video ko lang din to nagamit. This one, sa video lang. And then, ano pa ba? And then, I have only one romper right here because you guys know me. I love rompers and I can't let go. I'm actually still thinking about selling this one. Hindi ko pa to nasuot eh. I think nasuot ko na to once. But yeah, it looks like that. It's a romper and I don't know. I just finished filming, you guys. Hindi sana ako mag-film eh. I mean, naplano ko na nag-film ako. Pero yung plano ko was maligo muna. Tapos, you know, mag-film. Tapos sabi ko, you know what? I'm gonna put on my makeup and then I'm gonna film para matapos na. And then, ligo na ako later. Look at my situation right here. Nandun yung mga kailangan ko pang tupiin. Tapos, marami pa sa kwarto ni Marlon. My gosh, hindi ko yun natapos last week eh. Kasi, na-busy ng bonggang-bongga. Oh my gosh, you guys. I did feature this on my Q&A video. Kasi maraming sa inyo nagtanong kung paano ko ginawa yung DIY lighting ko. So, pinakita ko dun sa video na yun kung paano ko to ginawa. I will leave the link of that video below. I will make pancakes pancakes. This one, Magnolia Pancake Plus. Yung ilalagay ko lang is tubig lang, 2/3. So, yan. And then, meron na siyang free na maple syrup. So, yeah. Tagal ko na itong binili. Ngayon ko lang lulutuin. Mag-expire siya April. So, yeah, April 2016. Parang pumuti na yung mukha ko. Nakakaloka. Ginamit ko na last night. Yung lotion din ginamit ko din. Yung lotion ginamit ko mga 3 beses na. Tapos ito din 3 beses na. Yeah, and I like it kasi unlike the Miracle Cream, yung Miracle Cream kasi, yes, nakakaputi din siya, pero sobrang dry niya pagkagising ko sa umaga. Like, diba, ang puti na mukha ko paggabi. Pag umaga, pagising ko, meron ako nakikitang dry patches sa nose ko, and I have really oily skin ha, and sobrang nakaka-dry siya sa face ko. So, yeah, pero ito, it gives a really nice luminous finish sa skin ko, as you guys can see. Like, hindi ako oily, wala namang oil, pero I have that luminous finish sa face ko. Yeah. Yeah? You agree? Yeah, I like that. By the way, I use the soap, Laxican soap, the grapeseed, no, the Swiss apple, kahapon. Hindi, okay naman siya. Parang ang bilis niya maubos daw. Okay lang, I can't say it is like special, but it's not bad at all. I'm uploading a video right now. Ito yung video na magiging up this hapon. 623 minutes. Mabilis sana siya kanina eh. Kaya lang si Mark naglaro ng computer tapos nagnood pa ng movie. Nakakainis. I just finished filming 2 videos, you guys. And yes, I have makeup on. Nung nag-ready ako kanina, pagkatapos ko maligo and I was doing my brows, sabi ko, I should apply eyeshadow. So, I did. And yeah. That's why I have makeup on. I'm just transferring the files para maka-film ako ulit kasi I'm planning to do another video and this is going to be an exciting video. You guys will love this video that I'm going to film. But yeah, I'm going to do that. I actually planned to do a storytime video, but hindi storytime video yung film ko. Pero okay lang yan. I will do a storytime video soon. Pero yeah, na-transfer na siya. So, actually, iba yung top na sinuot ko kanina, black. Tapos ngayon nagpalit lang ako nitong top na to. And yeah, I will go ahead and film na, you guys. Bye! Lunchtime, meron akong fish. Half of a fish. Tapos, soup, vegetables. Yummers. Kain tayo. And then for my drinks, I will have my Dutch milk, yung strawberry. Yummers. Kain tayo, guys. Aayusin ko yung DIY lighting ko, you guys, kasi natanggal. May nagsabi nga pala sa Q&A video ko na daw tawag dito. Nakalimutan ko, female. Hindi ko nakalimutan ko na, basta meron nagsabi. Ano ba yan? Pero yeah. I-ano ko lang siya. Naka-connect na tong ko eh. Tingnan nyo yan. Ang dami ko pang kailangan tupiin. Pero nag-film ako kanina eh, kaya hindi ko nagawa. But yeah. Not sure if magagawa ko to today. Siguro bukas. I can't promise though. But hinihintay ko lang na uminit to. And yeah. Ididikit ko yung aking adapter dito sa aking shoebox. Oops! Okay. Again, napakita ko yung DIY highlighting sa recent Q&A video ko. So, you need to watch that if you want to know how I did this. Hi, guys! Sinong guys? I will close the vlog today early, guys. Kasi ang dami kong kailangan i-shoutout. Tapos, kailangan kong mag-concentrate sa aking editing. So, I'm gonna do shoutouts right now. Ana Dominic Mararagan, hi! I am April Cams, Gege, Jeje, pinsan ni Garlene, hello! Patricia Gail Deveza, Flor Divine Tambongko, Hagtron, and to her hubby na si Tonton, hello! Harvin, Steve, Hailey, Gloria, and to her babies, Vaughn, Haley, and Mateo. Hello! Hi to Samantha Deveza, Anonymous Yeah, Marie Camille Lois Mandal, Nika Nidua, and hi to Camille Duldulao, hair and makeup artist siya from Cavite. Hi to Giame, and to her baby Truman. Hello! Hi to Trish Bangkil, Grace Pahuyo, Angel, and to her classmates na si Denise Francine Bolage, Shahani Lokman, and Jasmine Lokman. Hi to May Kiopta, Naomi Jana, Maricar Dolores Flores, and to her hubby. 8th anniversary nila. So, congrats sa inyo. John Randy Sumalinog from Coronadal City. Bianca and her boyfriend Mark. Mary Joy Villanueva, Melot Panancilio, Heart Layog, Trisha Padilla, Jade Marshall Padilla, and Karen Padilla of Tarlac. Hi! Hi to Makeup Tutorials by Rachel, Shana Marie Espino, G Page, Cheska of Doha, Qatar. Hello! And hi to Richoline Cabrera Marteja and to her hubby na si John Kenneth Marteja of Dubai. Hello! Hi to Shay from Tagaytay and New Wyoming II sa Facebook. Hello! And lastly, hi to Take Me to Rome 08. Birthday niya today. Today, diba? Happy birthday! And yeah, that's it, you guys. Wala na namang ganap yung vlog as usual. Pero I will announce a malaking ganap really soon. Actually, yun yung finilm ko kanina. Okay, sabihin ko na it's a giveaway. So, yeah. Watch out for that. And yeah, that's basically it for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!